It's Pam from Our Adventures Everywhere, and today I'm here with a couple fun days for you this week. First is tomorrow, the 22nd, and that is ice cream cone day. So go enjoy an ice cream cone, or if it's a nice day, take your kids out for ice cream. We go to a local ice cream stand that I love. You can walk up to the counter. They're really good about wearing masks and social distancing, and it's just a fun little, outing we can have. The other one is the 25th, and it is #Cooking Day. Cooking Day, I think, is really important for kids. It's important for them to know how to make just even a couple simple meals. It's a great way to pass down family traditions. So if you have special dishes in your family, maybe that would be a great day to teach your kids to make them. Or if you don't have kids and you just want to maybe learn a new cooking skill. Maybe you've always wanted to learn how to make pasta, or you've always wanted to learn how to make some special dish or dessert that you love at a restaurant. Why not take Cooking Day and make that a priority to do that? So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful week, and until next week, thanks.